Ano pong ibig sabihin ng Hill Start Assist? Tara, sagutin natin. So, a lot of you guys might notice that this is one feature that I always put a high emphasis on our car reviews, on our comparison. I always say that this is a non-negotiable for me personally, and yung makaka-relate talaga sa akin dito is yung mga nakapag-drive ng manual transmission. Because what happens guys when you're driving on an inclined road and then medyo patigil-tigil, diba? And then or may kailangan pasingitin na ambulance or biglang tumigil yung sasakyan sa harap mo tapos matarek. So what happens is gravity, of course, diba? Aatras yung sasakyan mo, causes damage possible dun sa mga sasakyan sa likuran, mahahassle ka pa. So the Hill Start Assist feature gives you a few seconds to transfer your foot from the brake pedal to the gas pedal so that you can keep on your momentum, keep on going. So that's very important guys. Most of these features, most of the cars nowadays have this feature, but it's still important to know that you have this.